Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use the gamma function in a calculator. The gamma function is a fascinating mathematical tool that extends the concept of factorials to real and complex numbers. It's incredibly useful in various fields like statistics and physics, allowing us to calculate values for non-integer inputs where a traditional factorial wouldn't apply. Understanding its basics is key to unlocking its power. Finding the gamma function on your calculator is the first step. While some advanced scientific calculators have a direct button labeled with the Greek letter gamma, gamma, x, others might have it nested within a probability or math menu. If you're having trouble locating it, a quick check of your calculator's instruction manual will usually point you in the right direction. Let's start with a simple example using a positive integer. If you want to calculate gamma of 5, you would input the number 5 into your calculator's gamma function. The result you'll get is 24. This is because for any positive integer n, gamma of n is equivalent to n minus 1 factorial. So, gamma of 5 is the same as 4 factorial, which is 24. Now, let's explore the true power of the gamma function by using a non-integer value. For instance, to find gamma of 3.5, simply enter 3.5 into your calculator's gamma function. You'll find the result is approximately 3.323. This capability to handle fractional or decimal inputs is what makes the gamma function so valuable in advanced mathematics and various scientific applications.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.